Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some isolated chrome nails. So I'm going to start with painting all of the nails with this base coat. And you want to make sure you get it really coated. Okay, then I'm going to take this pink color and I'm going to paint all of the nails with this. It's kind of like a skin tone color, pink. And I'm going to do 2 coats of it. And I'm curing all of these colors for 90 seconds at a time. That is the first coat. Now going in with the second coat. I really like this color. I might actually do my nails this color, just this solid color. It's really pretty. Alright, so that is 2 coats. Now we're going to go in with this hot pink color to create this aura effect. I'm going to take this cotton round and I'm going to dab a little bit of this pink on the tip and then kind of blot it like you're blotting some makeup or blending out some makeup. You don't want any harsh lines. So I'm trying to create a airbrush effect without the airbrush, LOL. So I know it may look a little weird, but I still think it works. So and I'm doing this to all of the nails. This is how they look before they go under the lamp to be cured. Then I'm going to put this matte top coat on top of all of the nails. This is, this is what's going to help the isolated chrome look. So as you can see, they're all matte now. And I'm going to take this liner brush and I'm going to use this black gel polish to create where I want my chrome to be. So I just lined it up. I'm going to show you. I tried to do like a little wobbly effect to try to make it different, but I don't really know how I feel about the way it turned out. But you're going to do this outline or whatever your design is. So this is how the design turned out. Just kind of wanted to do something different besides straight. So I use liquid chrome. And you're just going to, after you cure the black, you're going to put the liquid chrome on top of your black polish. Because it's liquid chrome, you have to let it dry down just for a little bit and then start wiping to see the chrome effect. So to get rid of that excess chrome, you're just going to take some alcohol and rub off that glitter. It's pretty easy. That's what the matte top coat helps with. So the chrome doesn't stick to the rest of the nail. It only sticks to the black polish, and you can just wipe off that excess from around your design. I wouldn't advise wiping the entire nail with alcohol because all the chrome may come off and it may look weird. So just be cautious with that as well. Once you're done wiping off and clearing off the nail from the excess chrome, you're going to top coat it. And I felt these nails were still a little plain. So I decided to add like a little cross detailing, which you'll see in this next clip. And I use some UV gel nail glue, and I just put a dab of that on the back of it. And I didn't cure this nail just yet. So I put a little extra glue, then set it on top of the nail, and then cured this nail. That way it's really, really adhered to that nail. And then I also decided to add some diamonds to one of the nails as well. Again, I didn't cure the top coat. I just set these diamonds on top of this nail and then cured that nail. I also will add a top coat on top of these diamonds and that cross just so they don't turn any colors or anything like that. Because sometimes, when you're washing your hands and putting lotions on, they can kind of mess with the color of your diamonds or attachments. These are the final results. I like the way they turn out. I think they're very unique. So yeah, got to learn isolated chrome designs and a little bit of line work. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.